Imagine hosting a dinner party where crispy fries, juicy grilled chicken, tender roasted veggies, and warm golden toast all hit the table at once. Hot, fresh, and perfectly cooked. No juggling multiple appliances, no cramped countertops, no endless cleanup. This Floisdace 10-quart dual large air fryer makes this dream a reality with its innovative dual basket design, 10-in-1 versatility, and space-saving footprint. Whether you're feeding a family of 8 or prepping meal plans for the week, this air fryer is your ticket to effortless, delicious meals. Let's dive into why this kitchen game-changer deserves a spot in your home, why the Floisdace 10-quart dual air fryer stands out. Air fryers have become a staple in modern kitchens, but the Floisdace 10-quart takes it to the next level. Its dual basket technology lets you cook 4 foods simultaneously with different settings, while the Smart Sync finish ensures everything is ready at the same time. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a multitasking marvel that air fries, grills, bakes, broils, roasts, dehydrates, reheats, toasts, mellows, and offers custom cooking modes. Plus, its sleek black design and compact footprint make it a stylish, practical addition to any kitchen. Solving common cooking pain points. Time crunch. Preparing multiple dishes for a family or gathering often means hours in the kitchen. The Floisdace's dual baskets and Smart Sync finish cut cooking time by letting you cook 2 meals with different settings simultaneously. Counter clutter. Bulky appliances can overwhelm small kitchens. This air fryer's space-saving design delivers a 10-quart capacity while fitting under standard cabinets. Cleanup hassles. Nobody loves scrubbing greasy pans. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets, crisper plates, and dividers make cleanup a breeze. Inconsistent results. Uneven cooking can ruin a meal. With a temperature range of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and customizable settings, you get precise, perfect results every time. Key features that make it a must-have. Here's a closer look at what makes the Floisdace 10-quart dual large air fryer a standout choice for home cooks in 2025. Innovative dual basket design. Switch between a single 10-quart basket for large meals or 2 5-quart baskets to cook different dishes at once. Perfect for preparing a main course and sides simultaneously. 10-in-1 cooking versatility. With 10 preset menus, air fry, grill, dehydrate, bake, roast, broil, reheat, toast, mellow, and custom, you can tackle any recipe with ease. XL family-sized capacity. The 10-quart capacity comfortably serves up to 8 people, ideal for family dinners, holiday feasts, or meal prepping. Smart Sync finish technology. Cook 2 dishes with different times and temperatures, and they'll finish together, ensuring every plate is served hot and fresh. Space-saving footprint. Despite its large capacity, the compact design fits neatly on your countertop, saving valuable kitchen space. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe components mean you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. Customizable precision. Adjust temperatures from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from delicate dehydrating to high-heat roasting. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. Effortless multitasking. Cook 4 foods at once without juggling multiple appliances, saving time and stress. Healthier meals. Air frying uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying, delivering crispy, guilt-free dishes. Versatile cooking options. From baking desserts to dehydrating snacks, this air fryer handles it all, reducing the need for extra gadgets. Who is this air fryer for? The Floisdace 10-quart. Dual air fryer is perfect for busy families. Feed a crowd quickly with large capacity baskets and simultaneous cooking. Meal preppers. Batch cook proteins, veggies, and sides for the week in one go. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with less oil and fewer calories. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits snugly in apartments or cozy kitchens. Entertainers. Impress guests with diverse, perfectly timed dishes for dinner parties. The only minor drawback? The learning curve for mastering the 10 preset menus. However, the included recipe book and intuitive controls made it easy to get the hang of. For anyone upgrading from a basic air fryer, the Floisdace's versatility and capacity are a game changer. Why choose Floisdace? With air fryers flooding the market, the Floisdace 10-quart dual large air fryer stands out for its dual basket innovation, space-saving design, and 10-in-1 functionality. It's not just about cooking, it's about simplifying your life, saving time, and serving healthier, tastier meals. Backed by a sleek design and easy maintenance, it's a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.